Hey, what's up, friends and family of YouTube? I am using a new mirror-mounted contraption to hold my phone. I'll definitely show you guys what's going on here. I'm gonna test it in my other vehicles. So far, it's like a 5 or 6 out of 10, but it works. And I think it'll do the job. So I'm gonna go just put some gas in the IS, and I was gonna bring you guys along. I do like where it is and how it shows my face the way it does. It's not too close, not too far. And we're gonna go for a drive. So I'm gonna shut you guys off right now, and then I'm gonna turn you guys right back on, don't you worry. So a lot of you guys wanted an exhaust video of this thing. So I guess you'll hear it in this video. I haven't done a true exhaust video for this yet. Of course you would. Someone just pulled out ahead of me. Like, the luck, or lack thereof, rather. You're probably gonna hear a rattle. That's my exhaust hitting the tranny mount bolt head. But yeah, it's just a noise. So let's give it a go here. See if the phone stays on. Woo, spinning. Woo! This thing boogies, man. It's very odd how fast this thing is. And I've told that to so many of my good friends, my tuner, and they don't realize how quick it is until they're in it. They're like, holy cow, this thing moves. And the only thing that I could say as to why it's so fast is because of power to weight. You know, I'm probably making 400 wheel horsepower, give or take. Like I said, this car dynoed at 387 to the rear wheels before I took it. And it has to be doing better now. I did just order a engine water temp gate sensor for this thing, because I think during startup on hot startups, it doesn't really like to start easy, so it's thinking the engine is cold, so it's just dumping fuel. So I got that on order, OEM Toyota, and I'm hoping it'll fix my running rich issue when I'm flat to the floor in boost and in a higher gear. So we shall see. But I am digging the mount. Oh, you heard the exhaust there, I think. I hope, anyway. It's really loud and annoying. But I'm pulling up to the gas station now, so I will see you guys on the flip side. Well, I'm glad I finally found a decent mount for this thing. I didn't want to always be running my GoPro. My phone is just easier and better quality than my GoPros. So, wanted to find something that I could just take you guys along with me whenever I have my phone on me, which is all the time. But it hangs off the mirror, which is a little bit goofy, but it works. And I took a corner quite fast up there by accident, and it held on pretty good. So I'm just in line to get a coffee. A decaf, because it's after 6, and I'm just super glad I could take you guys along for the ride now. That's awesome. I'll definitely show you guys what it is, and I'll put the product in the description just in case you're looking for something similar. I just don't know how it's going to fit on the F-150 mirror, because I think the F-150 mirror is larger than this one, but it'd be cool to take you guys in all the vehicles. I'll probably be taking you in this one most of the time, but I could even swap the camera around, and you guys could race at closed course races or in Mexico. So that'd be fun. So yeah, I think that sensor I have on the way is going to fix my running rich issue. It actually doesn't run rich that bad, but when it's hot out, it doesn't like it. So Okay, I'm gonna take my order and I'll put you guys back. All right, so I just flipped the phone around to see what it looks like with the camera on the other side. It looks pretty good. You guys can see the back seat and the Punisher silhouette of the decal that was there for like 10 years that I finally ripped off. But I think it's kind of cool how it's still in the window. It's kind of suiting to this car, actually. This thing just hauls. It's very surprising how quick this thing is. I took my cousin Jordan for a ride in it the other day. I'm sure you guys have seen him on the channel. But he was kind of like, oh yeah, I'm sure it's fast. It's a 2J, blah, blah, blah. And I took him for a ride. He's like, nope, holy cow, that thing is fast. Found a ECU online too, HKS FCON SZ. Never heard of it. And it is a plug and play for my exact setup. But I sent it to my tuner, King Tuner, Ali, and he's gonna see if he can do anything with it, because it's useless if he can't to me, because I'm not going to get an ECU where my hands are tied on who can tune it. He's not gonna do that. I think that's silly. And what is with HKS doing that? I know they have their reasons, but every other ECU really isn't locked. And I think they get way more business because of it, so. So yeah, that's awesome. You guys are gonna be coming with me a lot more now. So I'm gonna go for a spin around my neighborhood, just let the engine cool down from the pulls, and then I'll show you guys the mount. All right guys, so this is the mount. It has, I'll take it off too and show you, but it has 3 prongs that are adjustable for any thickness of mirror. That's where my phone was sitting. It's nice because it's pointing towards me, but I also can turn my camera around and point wherever. It's also very, very adjustable. It has like a ball joint back here that you can tighten and untighten it. And then it also has a like a nut right here that you could loosen. Oh, it's tightening it. So if I loosen that guy, I can swing this arm. Ugh, my antenna is caught in this thing. I could swing this arm completely out of the way, and I can even take this mount off. So it's, you know, it's actually pretty sweet. So I'll take it off my mirror now if it's not going to be too difficult. This mirror needs clean, Dicey. It's very, very dusty. You know what? I'm just going to take... Oh, I got it, I think. There we go. So that's what the mount looks like. I know it's kind of bulky looking and like intimidating at first, but it's really not that bad. Hold on, I'm going to tighten it. So there it is. So it goes on, it's supposed to go on any mirror. But I like it because I can put it on here, kind of forget about it, and if I don't want it on there, I can take the whole thing off, or I could swing it out of the way. But when we go driving, I can put it right back where it goes. It was 20 bucks on Amazon, so I'll put the link in for you if you guys are looking for a good phone mount for driving. I do recommend it, and it looks like it might be able to detach there. Here, that would be cool. Just give me a sec. You guys are still on. Oh, it extends. I didn't even know that. Look at that. So that could extend even more. So you can swing it fully up here like this, out of the way. That's cool. Yeah, so I do recommend this. It was only 20 bucks, and I think it'll be a great addition to the motorsports and the capturing it all on camera side of things. So yeah, super stoked. But that's all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to bring you guys on for the first ride along. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. I'm super stoked to bring you guys along now. And hopefully we can have many more of those, especially in the Altezes that are on the way. And of course the i300 when everything is dialed with that new sensor. I think that's going to be key because that sensor does control the fuel maps. And I think it controls the second fan. So we'll see. Anyway, I got it on Partsuk and it was like, I don't know, 50 bucks or something. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, everybody. Peace.